Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this Friday evening about 9:30. A look back at today, which overall wasn't too bad. Temperatures that topped out in the 70s inland and 60s along the coastline. We're tracking much warmer weather for this weekend, especially on Sunday. In fact, Sunday looks hot and humid. Some locations may be pushing or getting close to 90 degrees on Sunday afternoon. So let's take a look at what we're tracking. And, the warm stretch continues. We're looking at high temperatures on Saturday in that 77 to 84 degree range, the warmest weather inland, 70s at the coastline, 85 to near 90 on Sunday, hot and humid inland, and about 75 to 80 at the beaches. So even the coastline looks pretty warm on Sunday. So when we take it apart, now we do have the risk of a passing brief, strong thunderstorm on Sunday, but it looks like it may hold off until very, very late in the day towards evening, like around after 6 o'clock, which means a better part of the daylight hours of Sunday will actually be on the dry side. Dry meaning no rain, but humid. And, the same argument goes for Saturday. There is the slight chance of a passing shower or thunderstorm on Saturday afternoon, but a better part of the daytime on Saturday looks rain-free as well. So while there may be a brief interruption this weekend with a passing shower or thunderstorm, there are going to be many, many hours where it's actually dry. And cooler weather settles early next week. We take a look at the satellite and radar composite, and it's quiet across New England. Not much going on. Now, do take note of, doesn't look like much, but you see this cloudiness dropping down from Canada and northern New England. This is going to drop down on Saturday. So these are thin clouds with breaks. So what I envision for Saturday is not so much a deep blue sky, but rather kind of a blend of clouds and hazy sun, but overall not bad. I think enough filtered sun through the cloud cover to actually get temperatures of the 80s inland on Saturday afternoon. Let's take a look at the forecast hour by hour, and we'll take you into Saturday morning at about 7 a.m., starting off at around 60, and then during the afternoon hours, draw your attention to where the warmest air is. This 90 in Pasco may be pushing it a bit too much. But I do think, inland areas, especially north and west of the Route 95 corridor, right up in here, about 80, 85, so pretty warm, and upper 60s to low 70s along the South Shore, generally around 80 in the Providence metro area. This is 3 o'clock. This gray that you see is not really a solid overcast, but rather thin broken clouds causing the sunshine to be a little hazy or filtered. So it's not a deep blue sky, but I think enough brightening through this cloud cover to be getting these temperatures up. And then you can see during the afternoon, mid to late day, where is it? Right in here. I mean, these are isolated and brief, so really not worthy enough to really cancel any outdoor activities on your Saturday afternoon and evening, but this is just kind of a brief interruption with a quick passing shower or a thunderstorm. 8 o'clock in the evening, it's actually pretty mild. It's warm in the upper 60s to lower 70s. 11 o'clock Saturday night, clear skies, temperatures pretty nice, upper 60s to around 70. So here we are Saturday morning with hazy sun and thin clouds. You see temperatures already in the upper 70s to around 80 by noontime. Now again, those are inland temperatures. Subtract about 10 degrees along the coastline. And you can clearly see on Saturday where the warmest weather will be, this area in light red, especially this darker red right up in here. Temperature's pretty warm. As you get closer to the coastline, cooler. In fact, let's take it apart. Saturday afternoon, and you can see upper 60s to low 70s along the South Shore. And you're generally in that 80 to 85 degree range inland. Interior Massachusetts, low 80s. Coastal Mass, upper 60s to low 70s. And again, watch mid to late afternoon for a brief pass shower or thunderstorm. Most of the time, it's actually dry. Beaches, same deal. Clouds, hazy sun, quick shower, mid to late day. Temperature briefly getting up to 70 at the beach, but then as the sea breeze really starts to kick in, it'll fall back into the 60s. Moderate risk of rip currents. So be mindful, not all lifeguards are on duty as of yet. And the bay forecast, boaters, even though it's a small risk, a brief isolated shower or thunderstorm mid to late afternoon. Most of the time, though, on Saturday, it's not showering. South breeze 5 to 10, waves about 2 to 4 feet. So again, the weekend is not a washout. Wouldn't cancel any outdoor activities both Saturday and Sunday, but just be mindful that each afternoon and early evening, kind of a quick random shower or thunderstorm coming through. It's more of an interruption than an all-out cancellation of your outdoor activities. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.